Love grass-fed beef? Us too! But have you ever wondered what goes into creating that perfect bite? When it comes to grass-fed beef, when you put good in, you get good out. Our 100% grass-fed and finished cattle only consume grasses and forages their entire lives. These natural food sources, along with fresh water, provide cattle with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, carbs, vitamins, and minerals. Our producers work with beef nutritionists to remove antibiotics, added hormones, and grain from our cattle's rations. And that's done on purpose, with you in mind. Our farmers do feed cattle soy hulls, but cattle never receive soybeans, soybean meal, or soy oil. So, what does this all mean to you? Our finishers are dedicated to providing animals with a consistent, formulated diet through every season. This dedication results in beef that offers amazing flavor and texture in each and every bite. Hungry for more? Learn about the grass-fed difference at grassrunfarms.com/ourstory.